Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This is a fingertips dataset called Local Health. There's various measures in there. It's one table. There's 2.3 million rows of data going back to 2011. Let's have a look inside the main one. So you can see various indicators, and it's split up by geography, age, sex, and so on. And you've got the numbers there. All the fingertips data sets are put together like this. It's really good. Let's have a look at the different measures they've got actually. Wet, distinct, from. There's 63 different measures. I don't know if you can read that on the video, but if you just follow the link in the description, you can get access to this and all the other data sets for a free 30-day trial. Thanks.